Y'all, she moves. Y'all see that? Ow. What's up, y'all? It's your girl Antionette. If you're new to my channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and stick around. Also, make sure that your notification bell is turned on so you don't miss any uploads from moi, okay? Y'all, if my setup is different, it's because I'm not home right now, but I'm definitely trying my best to be consistent, so I had to hurry up and get this video out to y'all. Y'all, if you read the title, this video is a review of this beautiful Loving Me bob. First off, I'm not being paid to do this video. I'm not sponsored. I wish I was, but I'm not sponsored to do this video. So I bought this wig with my own money, my own coins, okay? So let me get into the specs. Of course, you see it's a bob. It's a human hair bob. It is a U-part wig, which means that part of my hair is left out right here, okay? It comes with 3 clips. You got 1, 2, 3, and then you have a comb in the back, okay? So that is the specs about this hair. I ordered this hair from LUVMEHAIR about a month ago during the whole quarantine thing, okay? Because I needed something easy to do my hair. And the shipping took a little bit longer because of the quarantine. So, but I was sent a FedEx tracking, which I, was able to keep on task with the shipment. So, y'all, I really wasn't expecting this. I was not expecting this bottle to look this good. I took a risk by ordering it because I seen another reviews. I said, let me just go ahead and try it out because I really do like LUVMEHAIR. The hair is always so soft. I have no problems with the hair. The hair is beautiful. It's easy to wash. It's easy to detangle. It is so easy and beautiful to manipulate. But as you all probably, if you see my previous videos, when I ordered a U-part wig before, I ordered a body wave, and I'm sorry about that, y'all. I got kids in the other room, and y'all know how it is. But anyway, so as I was saying, the wig, I was not expecting it to look this good, this natural, and y'all, surprisingly, the wig fits, okay? So my other reviews, I had an issue with the wig being too big, okay? And I had to do some manipulating to make my wig caps fit because I have a small head. And I even got a video, if you guys want to see that, of how I get my wigs to fit, okay? So I thought that I had to do the same thing with this wig. I was really expecting. I said, all right, I don't know about this. I got to order this wig and I might have to do the same thing. But surprisingly, this wig fits so good, y'all. I was so surprised. So y'all, as soon as I put it on right out the pack, it was already straight, didn't have a smell. I went through it maybe like 1 pass with the flat iron, that was it. And I, flat iron my leave out, of course, and you'll see that in the next video. But I was so surprised that this wig fit this so snug. Like, I feel like LUVMEHAIR got it right this time. I feel like they've been listening and they actually got it right. So I'm very impressed with the construction of this wig, okay? And then as you can see, homegirl moves, okay? She moves, okay? And it's giving me that nice, fresh blowout vibe. You know what I mean? Like you fresh out the salon. Like, she moves. And I'm really, really impressed with this, okay? So, if you're looking for a beginner-friendly U-part wig, you might want to try this out. She was very affordable, very inexpensive, and I use a coupon code, okay? So, y'all might want to try them out, all right? I would definitely recommend this. I would definitely vouch for this wig. She's beautiful. She is beautiful. I'm going to see if I can turn around so y'all can get like a kind of a feel for how she look in the back. So, I'm 5'4", for reference, y'all. Homegirl cute, okay? I feel cute, homegirl cute, we cute. So y'all, if you are interested in seeing how I got her to look like this, y'all, keep watching this video. Mwah. All right, so this is the hair straight out the pack. It comes straight just like this, and then in the package you also get some goodies. I feel like LUVMEHAIR really outdid themselves this time, y'all. So you get the flat irons, which they always send. You get a wig cap. You also get the Love Me card. Now you also get a pouch full of goodies, y'all. Inside this cute little pouch, you got a comb. You got some adjustable straps. They send you some bobby pins. They send you another pouch, this cute little Love Me pouch, and it's my favorite color, purple.
And then they also sent this cute little Love Me hair clip, y'all. So they did themselves with this package. I'm really impressed.